In this video, I will show you how to connect Apple Credit Card to QuickBooks and basically answer the question if it is even possible. Because sadly, it is not possible as of right now to connect Apple Credit Card to QuickBooks. There is a workaround though, and I will show you that later on. But since the option is available, you will need to request your bank's support by following the steps below. First, go to the transactions menu and select banking or bank transactions. Then click on the link account button in the upper right corner, enter the name of your bank into the search box, use the show more and continue pressing it until you still can't find your bank appears. And on the request to add your bank page, type the bank's name, URL and email address, and then hit submit or request. Here are some sample screenshots for reference. But as a workaround, you can manually upload transactions into the program. You just need to make sure to review the file format and size to import them successfully. So that is how you can still add your transactions from your Apple credit card to QuickBooks. It is sadly not possible to connect them automatically. It is very sad, but that is the case. So I hope this video was still kind of helpful, or at least to clarify this to you. And if this video was helpful, please subscribe to the channel and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.